Welcome to WT History. In this series, we list all the major events that happened in the world in a year, starting from 1776 to 2024.
January 6th saw tragedy strike as the East Indiaman Halsewell was wrecked off the south coast of England in a storm, with only 74 survivors from over 240 aboard. On March 1st, 5 businessmen gathered at the Bunch of Grapes Tavern in Boston to organize the Ohio Company of Associates, aiming to purchase land for settlements in what is now Ohio. March 13th marked the beginning of construction on the Four Courts building in Dublin, with the first stone laid by the Duke of Rutland, the Viceroy for Ireland. April 11th witnessed the first graduation of Columbia College, now Columbia University, with 8 graduates, including future New York Governor DeWitt Clinton. May 1st brought the premiere of Mozart's opera, The Marriage of Figaro, in Vienna, a masterpiece that would go on to captivate audiences worldwide. May 21st saw the conclusion of the infamous affair of the diamond necklace trial in Paris, a scandal that rocked the French monarchy. On June 2nd, the Tignon Law was enacted by Governor Esteban Rodriguez Miro in Louisiana, mandating that black women wear headscarves to assert their lower social status. June 6th, Nathaniel Gorham was chosen as president of the U.S. Confederation Congress, substituting for the ill John Hancock. June 10th saw a devastating earthquake-triggered landslide dam break on the Dadu River in Sichuan, China, resulting in the loss of 100,000 lives. On June 25th, Gavril Pribilov discovered St. George Island in the Pribilof Islands, extending Russian exploration into the Bering Sea. July 14th brought the Convention of London between Britain and Spain, leading to the evacuation of British settlements on the Mosquito Coast and the expansion of British territory in Belize. On July 31st, Robert Burns' poems, chiefly in the Scottish dialect, was published, earning him recognition as Scotland's national poet. The Cabinet of Great Britain approved the establishment of a penal colony at Botany Bay, Australia, marking the beginning of British settlement in the region. August 1st, Caroline Herschel became the first woman to discover a comet, breaking new ground in the field of astronomy. On August 8th, Michel Gabriel Paccard and Jacques Balmat made the first successful ascent of Mont Blanc, Europe's highest peak. August 11th, Captain Francis Light acquired the island of Penang for the British East India Company, establishing Georgetown, the first British colony in Southeast Asia. August 17th saw Frederick William II ascend to the throne of Prussia following the death of Frederick the Great. On August 18th, the Kingdom of Denmark chartered 6 settlements in Iceland, ending the Danish-Icelandic trade monopoly and founding Reykjavík. August 29th, Shays Rebellion began in Massachusetts, reflecting the discontent of American farmers post-Revolutionary War. September saw Johann Wolfgang von Goethe embark on his famous Italian journey, later chronicled in his writings. On September 26th, the Eden Agreement was signed, fostering commercial ties between Britain and France. October 6th marked the commissioning of HMS Bellerophon, a vessel that would gain fame during the Napoleonic Wars. On October 23rd, Östersund was founded and chartered by King Gustav III of Sweden. November 7th, the Stoughton Musical Society, the oldest musical organization in the U.S., was founded. November 30th, Grand Duke Peter Leopold Joseph of Tuscany abolished the death penalty, making Tuscany the first state to do so. On December 4th, Mission Santa Barbara was founded by Padre Fermín Lasuen, becoming the 10th Spanish mission in California. The town of Martinsboro, North Carolina, was renamed Greenville in honor of General Nathanael Greene. The last reliably recorded wolf in Ireland was hunted down near Mount Leinster, marking the end of an era. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more historical explorations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.